Assalamu alaikum and hi everyone. In this video, I will be sharing with you all on how to make a balance scale out of the recycled materials that you can find at home. Have you heard about a balance scale before? So, this is an example of a balance scale. What do you think it is used for? As the name suggests, it is a tool to weigh objects. It helps us to know which object is heavier or lighter. So now, let us look at the things needed to make this weighing scale. A ruler to help you to measure, 2 plastic cups to hold the object, a stick to hold the buckets, a sharp scissor, string, a big bottle, and fillers to make the bottle heavy. In this example, I am using some rice, but you can always use something else just to make the bottle a bit heavy so it stays. So now, let us start to make our own balance scale. So first, we are going to take our bottle and make a hole on one side using our sharp scissors. Please make sure to let your parents or guardians to help you make the hole, because it can be very dangerous. Then, we are going to make another hole just across the first hole earlier. Please make sure the holes are on the same level. Now that we already have one hole on each side, we are going to make another hole on the bottle cap. Now that we have already made the holes, we are going to insert the bottle with some fillers. In this case, I am using some rice to make my bottle a little bit heavy so it stays and don't fall later on. You can just put the rice inside the bottle very slowly and very carefully. You can fill in more rice inside the bottle to make the bottle more heavy. Okay? Now that our bottle is a little bit heavy, we are going to take the string to help us hold the stick for our balance scale. We are going to measure from the bottle cap up till our hole, but make sure to give extra inch so it is easy for you to tie the string later on. Now cut the string with our sharp scissors and always be careful, okay? Now we are going to pass the string through the hole we made on the bottle cap earlier. And then pass the stick to the holes and the string that we did. The string will help to hold the stick. Once done, tie the string just above the bottle cap. Now we are going to take the plastic cups and make a hole on both sides of the cup. Again, please ask your parents or guardians to help you on this part. Now repeat the same step for this cup. Once done with the hole, take the string and measure it up to 25 centimeters. So it is just enough to make our cup as a bucket. We don't want the string to be too short or too long. You will need one string for each cup, okay? Now we are going to pass through the string on one hole and tie it, and then repeat on the other holes. Now that we are done, we have two buckets that help us to hold the objects that we would like to weigh later on. Place each bucket on each side of the stick. Make sure they are on the same distance so they are balanced. We don't want the bucket to be too close or too far from the bottle. Now let's try to compare these two objects. I have a battery and a toy car. Which one do you think is heavier and lighter? So when I put the battery inside the bucket, I can see that the bucket that has the battery drops. So what does that mean? A scale will always tip down with the heavier object. But what if I put this toy car inside the second bucket? Do you think the bucket will stay down or it will go up? Now that I have put the toy car in the second bucket, the bucket drops and the one with battery goes up. So what does that tell you? Now that you already know the steps to make a balance scale, it's your turn to make your own now. Good luck!